There's a black ring around the inside of my filter water line. Today I noticed a thick black greasy substance on my duct floating chlorine tab. My pH and chlorine levels have been great for weeks. Help!
So I'm assuming what you're saying is inside of your filter means your skimmer box. You're having a black scuzz. Likely it is either someone's using a plethora or an extra amount of suntan lotion, because likely what's happening is you're getting oils coming off of the skin, floating on the surface of the pool, and then adhering to things. Unless, the only other possibility that I could think of, but usually it's more on the surface of the pool and less on like a duck, would be black algae. Black algae sometimes can show up and your chlorine level can be perfect, but black algae is way more resistant to normal doses of chlorine. So two things could be done. I think first and foremost, if you drop the pH, the chlorine becomes more active. Get the pH a little lower than normal is going to help, and skyrocket the chlorine. That's the first thing. And then the second thing would be add a black algicide, something to treat black algae specifically. And if it's neither one of those, then the third option, I guess there would be a third option too, is to go around and clean all the surfaces off and be aware of what's getting in the water. Did you change your suntan lotions? Is there someone using something excessive on their skin? Is someone moisturizing more than they normally would have and then jumping into the pool? So which some of that scum comes from suntan lotion or body lotion, body washes. You know, in today's day and age, we use a lot more on our skin, a lot more products. A lot of that stuff builds up in the water and ends up adhering to the surfaces. So I don't know if that'll help you, but hopefully it'll take care of it for you.